Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gain access to Bing AI Chatbot on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up any other browser such as Chrome and go to the Bing AI website, you will find the chat button at the top left corner alongside the Microsoft Bing logo. If you click on this, you will be told that you need the Microsoft Edge browser in order to access Bing AI. If you already have the Microsoft Edge, you can simply click on Open Microsoft Edge, or if you don't have it, then you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Now this will immediately open up the Bing AI website and sign you in to Bing AI with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account set up already, you will be asked to log in. You can simply type in your username and your password and click on the login button, and this will redirect you into this Bing AI chat page. And now you can simply choose your conversation style and get started with using Bing AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to gain access to Bing AI on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.